Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette, and today I'm doing a follow-up on some nail polish that I received from Nail Reserve a while back. Company contacted me and wanted to know if I would like to try their product, and I said sure, even though I don't have the prettiest nails, but I'm working on them. I'll leave a link down in the description box below to the unboxing and the first review of these nail polishes. They're gel nail polish. And I liked them. I'll be honest with you, I didn't do the best job. So today I'm going to try to do a better job. And I'm using, it's called Bear With Me. In the other video, I used a white. But anyway, I'll go ahead and get started by first using the base coat. And I have a really small nail bed here. My sister couldn't believe how small they were when we were messing with these. Whoops. First thing I'm going to do is just use the base coat on all my nails. And I got the beginner coat kit, so I have this little UV thing that I will be using. Nail Reserve is vegan, and they're animal friendly, and they're a really good company. I got these pretty quick. Didn't take hardly any time at all to get them, and I was very pleased with them so far. All right, now to put the color on. Before I go and do that though, I do want to mention that I'll leave, also down in the description box below, I'll leave a link to Nail Reserve's website so you can check them out, and have a really good coupon code for you too. 50% off. That's really good. So we're going to be using Bear With Me, which is kind of a lavender color. By the way, these things don't stink. Usually nail polish smells really, really bad. All right. I'm going to start with the thumb. And I'm being real careful not to get it on my cuticle. When you do that, you'll get a lifting. And I'll actually show you a video of what I mean by that. Here's what I mean by it. See how it's lifting up? That's because I put the nail polish onto my cuticle. So avoid that. All right, let me get this UV light out. All right. Oh, aren't those pretty? And that is just one coat. Now, in the other video, I did white, and I had to use like 3 coats. But boy, these are nice. I probably should do one more coat, at least on the thumb. I don't know. I am going to do another coat on the thumb, but these look really good. Just to let you know, I am going to leave a link down in the description box below to a video that gives you details on how to apply these nail polishes. the prep involved and all that. It's actually done by Nail Reserve, and it's a really good video. They actually sent it to me because I had no idea what I was doing. All right, now I'm going to use, it's called the No Wipe Top. And I'm going to use that on my nails. See how little my nails are? They're just so tiny. I almost feel like I have a child's hand. That's what my mom said. She says, it's like doing nails on a child. Make sure to put the lid on so I don't spill it all over the place. Uh-oh. Okay. And there, they're all done. Now all I have to do is the other hand. All right, I did both hands. They really look nice. I love this color. It's very neutral. It could go with anything I wear. And I think they turned out a lot better than the first time I tried them. I want to thank y'all for joining me, and you have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette signing out for now. Bye-bye.